Bob advises her, the victim, that when he left the scene, he had one of the children at knife point. He's likely still in possession of it.
Hey, Daniel. So, I just heard that your brother is still here down the street, and he would like to talk to you, but we can't.
Go down. Go down. Here. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Come on out. Come on. Sorry, come on out. Hold on. Come on. Come on out. Right, let's go.
You saw my flashlight when you popped the door open. Okay, so I heard something metal fall.
Door. Oh, come here, let's go. Let's get your hands.
Help me! Help me!
Come on, you're okay. You're all right. You're okay. We got you. You're okay. It's all us. Watch your nails.
My brothers are in there.
We're gonna help them all. We're gonna get you all, okay?
Okay?
No.
So let the other two out and I'm going to toss you a water bottle.
No, you're gonna throw it at me so that I can...
No, I'll roll it to you. Or I can set it by your door, then you can open it and grab it after I get the two kids. Okay? Let the two kids out. Let the two kids out. There you go. Let me have two kids. One more, please. I'll get you a water bottle. It's right here.
Third is out.
All right. Hold on. I got a water for you.
He's standing in the doorway.
Let me move.
I can see him in the mirror.
All right. I'm going to roll.
His hands are empty.
Here.
He's working on it, man. He's working on
Here
it.
comes a...
Hey, man, come on. Come out with your hands up.
I got water right here.
Come out.
Keep your hands up, man.
Just get the water, please.
Yeah.
We got water. Water. You just got to come out here, man.
No. I need the water first.
One person.
Can you come out and get the water? We
No.
can get...
Have the fucking water. Come on. I let him...
Me here as somebody who is willing to assist with you. So Daniel, all we're trying to do is just talk with you. That's all we want. It's just to talk. So don't worry about the door. Don't worry about the open door, Daniel. We're just here to talk, Daniel. We're just here to talk, man. So I'm down here in the back, Daniel, and I'm here to make sure that you're looking out for, that we're taking care of you. Part of my job is to make sure, even off the res, that our tribal members are here to help. So that's what I'm here for, man.
Hey, start. Fill out.
That's what I'm here for. Can you talk to me, Daniel?
Face.
Daniel,
His face.
can you talk to me? Don't be worried. We just couldn't hear.
What? Don't do what? We were trying to communicate with you, man.
Well, I just need water. I told you guys that.
What? I can't hear you.
We can't hear you, Daniel.
Stand by. Let me see what kind of door handle it is.
Hey, Daniel. My name is Ben. I'm the sergeant for the Sheriff's Office SWAT team. I don't want to harm you or cause you any discomfort. We'd like you to walk out and so we can end this peacefully. If that's not an option, we're going to deploy something called a pepper ball into the closet, and it's going to make you very uncomfortable. I'd prefer if we didn't have to do that. Will you please come out with your hands up?
You just say X-Acto knife? Hey, can you guys back up? Give me some space to back up if I need to.
Come on out, Daniel, and ask for Greg.
Ben, let me know when. Okay, is that
Come
going to
on
breach
out,
the
ask for
door?
Greg. I'm still here, Daniel, and I'm still here for you.
The top threshold, maybe.
You asked us for help once.
Bottom?
We want to help you.
Alright.
I want to help you.
Pepper ball, pepper ball, pepper ball.
Alright.
All right, please. Hands up.
Empty hands.
Empty hands.
Russ.
Get some light in there. Flood it.
I'm here, Daniel. So just hands up so we can see your hands.
Digging
okay?
through something. I can hear him digging through something.
Come
on out, buddy.
Come out.
I know, that sucks. I'm here, Daniel. It'll get better. It'll get better if you come out. Just come on out, Daniel. Really? Yeah, come on out. All right. Just empty-handed. Come on out, please. Back up. I know. It's going to get worse, man. It really is. I know. It sucks. Come out, man.
He's out. Hey, stop showing his hand.
Back up.
Drop the knife!
Stop.
I'm holding. Stand by, I'm holding.
Taser. That's what you needed.
All right, one on command. Hey, one on command.
Roll on your stomach now!
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife and roll on your stomach now! You can hear me? Drop the knife and roll on your stomach now! We don't want to hurt you! Roll on your stomach now with your hands empty!
Get the knife out of there. I got gloves on. You want USB? Yes. I got it. See it? CP echo. Suspect down. Detaining.
No. You okay? Did you?
No. Hey, high five. Get right.
Hey, clear out.